Hey y'all, it's Tanya with the Affluent Candle Company featuring Affluent Hands. And today we'll be doing a DIY bath salt project. This is a new product that I will be releasing on my website. This is an 8-ounce jar that it will come in. It will also come in a 16-ounce jar, which is not pictured. So we need our scoop so I can scoop out the salts, or container so I can mix the salts in. Then we have our Himalayan pink salt. We have black lava Hawaiian sea salt. We have our dead sea salt. And last but not least, we have our regular Epsom salt. I will leave a link below from all the stuff that I'm using. And I'm just using a regular one of my candle jars to measure out on my scale. My scale's off to the side. I didn't have enough room to put it in the video, so bear with me. Also, last minute I decided I wanted to add rose petals, so I will be adding those in also. So let's get started. So this is an 8-ounce recipe. I will be using 2.4 ounces of the dead sea salt. Next up, we're going to be adding 2.8 ounces of Epsom salt. Next, we will add our Himalayan pink salt, and we will be adding 2.4 ounces. Next on the list is our black lava Hawaiian sea salt, and I will be adding 0.4 ounces of that. I really kind of want to add that to give it a little bit of color, but I'm really not sure if it will stain or not, so I'm just adding a small amount, and I will be testing it out to see if I need to tweak the recipe. Again, 0.4 ounces. Look how beautiful that is. I love how the black lava salt adds the speckles. So as I said, I did not account for the rose petals in my recipe, so I'm only adding a couple handfuls. I'll adjust the recipe as I go based on how much I can get in the jar. I love the way this looks. I'm really satisfied with it. I might add a little bit more of the pink Himalayan salt to add a little bit more color. But I was looking for my funnel. It's in the kitchen. I didn't want to go get it, so I just thought I'd bootleg it and just pour it in like that. As you can see, I'm struggling, but it seemed to work out. I'm going to try to fill these jars up all the way to the rim because I don't want any extra air in there to harden the salt. Again, these are unscented. I'm not adding any scent. The rose petals do have a light rose scent, but nothing too major. So let's see the finished product. Look how beautiful that is. I love those black speckles from the black Hawaiian lava salt. So these will be on my website a couple weeks. I'll link everything down below if you would like to make this recipe yourself. I will also leave the recipe, but these will come in these 8-ounce jars and also 16-ounce jars. Sorry, I'll be making a big master batch of this and putting them all on my website. So I'll do another video, maybe a part 2 to this, showing you the 16-ounce jars. So thank you for watching. I hope everything works out good for you. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you like this video. And thank you for watching.